Good morning and welcome to day 5. Now if you've ever stayed at Disney before, you'll probably recognise this channel. I think what most people do, including us. The telly's sort of on in the background and it becomes a soundtrack of your holiday really. So as soon as we get into our room, telly goes on. You'll all become fairly familiar with Stacey. She does all the adverts around the resorts. So yeah, it's been going for years really. So you get in the room, turn your telly on, makes you feel sort of at home. So we had a great day yesterday at Epcot, got a bunch of stuff done, so we're getting ready for today because as I just said, today is day 5. There's our whirlpool bath, it's really nice, kids have been in there a fair bit. We've just got a wash on, there's the washing facilities, it is just gone 7 o'clock and today we are off to Hollywood Studios. So we're just getting ourselves sorted. Daisy is having a bagel, Luke's having a bit of a sleep. So yeah, coffee's on, toaster's ready, and it's going to be another lovely day at Old Key West. So we've got some nice fast passes booked, we've got Slinky Dog booked, we've got Tower of Terror booked, and we've got Rock and Roller booked as well. Also would like to go and do the Indiana Jones show, and maybe get on some other rides. So we'll see you at Hollywood Studios. So we are off the bus, heading over to the entrance. Sun's out and we've not seen these bus stops before because last time it was all under construction. But it looks like it's going to be another lovely day. Oh, and there's a Skyliner. So they're all over it here at Hollywood Studios. Bag check was super fast, just in and out, so we're going to go through the ticketing bit and probably head over to Toy Story Land. As soon as you're in this park, you can just feel it, can't you?
Yeah.
The music, the atmosphere, it's brilliant.
I know, it's so nice. Oh, I'm so happy.
So it is 9:05, park's open, Slinky Dog Dash is 105-minute wait. Toy Story Land is looking beautiful. Those colours, looks even better. So bright. So this is the part of the park where they've themed it all about the Incredibles.
Oh look, this is laser eyes on the floor.
Oh yeah, so you got... Very cool.
Look, he's crashing.
Ah, it's brilliant.
Jack's cookies as well.
This is the raccoon from the second film where they have that massive fight. If you're looking for a really fun place to eat on the park, more of a sit down and more of a chill, the Hollywood Brown Derby is fantastic. Derby is fantastic. Lots of interaction with the servers, super funny. Food is good, and if I remember correctly, the burgers in there are excellent.
They have an egg in it, it's brilliant.
So this is one of the most popular streets and views in Orlando, especially for the people that we chat with. So there's the Tower of Terror. We've got a fast pass for that in about 20 minutes, so we might try and hop on Rock and Roller first.
Oh, we got company. Hey, wow, hey. All right. How do people?
You excited? That was a brilliant ride. The theme is so great when you get off as well. It's like you've turned up at the gig, and this is the gift shop. So it's just gone 10 AM and we are heading in for our first fast pass of the day, which is
Tower of Terror.
Nice. So it's Saturday morning, just gone 10 o'clock. Glad we got a fast pass. It's 90 minutes on the standby. How are you feeling?
So spooked.
That was definitely one of the best ones, Daisy.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Okay, so we just got off Tower of Terror, and I've sort of said this before. As we were going in, there were families, and they probably had 3 different families, all with young kids, and all the kids were freaking out. And I've always said that I'm not sure this is the most Disney of rides, Tower of Terror. However, after all the drops and it was over, all 3 kids were buzzing. So they were like, can we do it again? Can we do it again? So, I don't know, I'm sort of in 2 minds. Is it super creepy? Is it going to traumatise your kids? Are they going to love it? I don't know, you probably know your kids better than we do. But yeah, all 3 kids were freaking out when we went on. All 3 kids were buzzing when they got off. We've never done this, it's pretty new. 15-minute wait. Gonna go in. So we're in. This is the new Lightning McQueen attraction. Looks great.
1, 2, 3.
And Luke's joined us.
Sorry?
Luke's joined us.
Oh, you know, obviously you said you needed a professional racing driver to come and give their take on this attraction, so here I am.
Good to have you with us, Luke.
Yeah, no, it's my pleasure, and hopefully we're going to see some fantastic racing today. Maybe a bit of contact, but hopefully we see some fair, clean, but close racing.
Smoke. There's no smoke. No smoke. Your tires. Yeah. When we're racing, you want to keep an eye on your teeth.
Your loser friends aren't enough to be made McQueen. You don't even know what
So what do you think of Lightning McQueen?
I loved it.
It was great, wasn't it? Thoughts?
Very unrealistic. It's not how races work.
So we're going to give a refrigerator pickle a try. How are they? Really?
So good.
I want another one.
Are they that good?
Yeah, that's
Oh, great. So we are at the Dockside Diner. Daisy's got some nachos. It's come for a massive chili hot dog.
thought I'd smiled for that one. You worked out. I saw you doing stuff with your eyes, you knew.
But you're not always making
Oh.
Right, Daisy, what did you get?
150.
Nice, Luke.
You got 159,800.
171,200. Yes! Oh, sorry, Luke.
I don't care, mate. I don't care.
I was winning at the beginning.
I don't care.
Definitely feels since like the last time we were here, all the sort of foliage and trees have really grown up a bit. It does look way different.
Oh, I do love the foliage, Keith.
I'm talking about foliage.
I love plants.
Keith, I really do love your pen.
Ooh. Shall we go see the compost?
Drinking straw. So they've definitely put some big trees in there. So peeking over the top is Galaxy's Edge, but we're going to try and get a better look at that when we're on Slinky Dog. So our next fast pass for the day is Slinky Dog, which is good really, because there's a 115-minute wait in standby.
Slinky Dog Dash, in order to keep your wait time as short as possible, we have to keep your...
Love the detail here. You excited?
I am. It's very hot.
It is very hot. Check out this guy, shoulder mounted fan. He's all over it. That was a fun morning on Hollywood Studios. It's coming up for about 1:30. It is super warm, so we've decided to take a break, head back to the pool, have a bit of a dip. So we are heading off to the pool now. It is blooming glorious. This is the first time we've been in May. I think it might be my favourite weather-wise. It's really, really hot, not had any rain yet. So yeah, thumbs up for May. So that's coming up for 5:30. Daisy and I have had a bit of a scrub up. Nice bit of a splash in the pool. Luke's just getting himself ready and is going to meet us because Daisy and I are heading down to Disney Springs. Bit more shopping days.
I know, love it.
So we're in the Ganachery. Looks pretty sweet, Daisy.
I know, right?
Sorry, Daisy.
If it doesn't look as good as the chocolate does, then what do we get out of it?
So we went into the Ganachery. Piper was amazing, and we got a magical moment. So she's giving us a chocolate lolly.
Welcome.
So it is a beautiful night now. The rain has stopped in Disney Springs, and we are heading to Enzo's Hideaway for dinner. All feels very sort of secret squirrely down here. Like it shouldn't be down here. So you got some bread and olive oil. Put some parmesan in it. It's lovely. Service so far is brilliant. How's it? So Daisy and I have gone for a couple of mocktails.
You need wine list?
And this is one of the mule cocktails. So we've ordered some antipasta to start. It looks fantastic. So what have you gone for?
Pasta.
How is it?
It's so good. Yeah, pretty good.
Luke's gone for black pasta, some sort of squiddy one. Get in there, you got, mate. Go on, pop it in there. Get it in there.
I don't want to make a mess.
Get it in there. Oh, nom 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 nom. I'm going for the steak. Okay, so we are back at the room. We had a really, really good meal at Enzo's Hideaway. One of the best meals we've had and definitely the best service that we've had. So we are now back at the room, and you may have seen earlier we popped to the Ganachery, which was a super fancy chocolate shop. So that's how they box it all up for you. So we're going to get that open and give them a taste.
Well, that failed. Okay.
So here we go, we got them to choose 6 of the ones that they sell the most of, or their favourites. So that's what we got there.
It's way softer than I thought it was going to be.
Nice. Well, polished the chocolate soft pretty quick. Hands down the best chocolate I have ever had. So yeah, we've had a great day, another busy day because tomorrow is our last full day. So we're up super early because we are heading off to Animal Kingdom. So we'll see you tomorrow. Cheers, Iz.